Today is July 1st, our first stop. Like every time, usually south of Bellinzona. Short break, first sandwich. After the short break we will heading direction Tuscany towards Lucca on our favorite camping, La Valle. Short stop on the river Po. Weather is nice, warm, 75 degrees. We have arrived at the camping Agricampeggio La Valle. A warm welcome from Lucca. We arrived here around 4 o'clock. After 8 hours driving, around 85 degrees Fahrenheit, a little bit some clouds, but it's not raining, it's warm, and now we are chilling. Dogs are tired, Ray is sleeping. Mila is taking care of everything. It is dinner time. Good appetite. Good morning.
Good morning.
Today is July 2nd. We left the camping around 11. Make some trips today. Visit the area. Look for some nice trails. And in the afternoon go back to the camping. Go to the pool maybe.
We are in the Parco Il Ciocco, CIO. Bendeci. stata una strada non controllata. Ja, sieht auch nicht so maintained aus. Zum Kraftzentrum.
This wraps up our day, and we went back to the camping with a nice dinner and went to sleep.
Happy birthday!
On this day, the 3rd July, we planned a visit of Lucca. Hello everybody.
Hello.
Today is July 3rd, as usually, my birthday. We are in Lucca, visiting the old town of Lucca. Currently we are walking on the wall which is surrounding Lucca, which should be approximately about 4 kilometers around Lucca.
To the left, there's the Duomo di San Martino.
Yes. This one.
Hi, let's go.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just the perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but again, the way feels like it's been a freaking
Still walking on the wall.
sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Got the tropical, fresh coast, switch on. Like a little shots. 24/7, holding out like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you gotta do a quick appointment for a champagne shot roll, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher. Got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company. They all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete. Oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but again, away feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break.
반짝이는 waves. 향긋한 나의 향기 cocktail. Feeling up. 어제의 나뿐일 때 태양이 너야. 이 순간은 알까. 꿈이 아니니까.
Dollars on a dolly with my homies.
Okay, after 1.5 hours of visiting Lucca, back to the camping. Maybe go into the pool, just chill a little bit. are going to visit this cathedral, Abbazia di San Galgano, and we are on the way to enter this cathedral. So we're gonna have to pay for the church, cathedral. Found a nice place on the beach, sitting under our awning from the jeep, enjoying life. Salut.
Don't know if I was aware a piece was missing.